I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do until I got here, so I was just trying different things out. Saw there was a construction program at my school, and I was like, might as well try it out. So now I'm here, and I actually figured out what I want to do as a career. I do like doing hands-on things, so that was a big part of it. And with electrical, you're using your brain as well, so it's like a good mix of the two. With, the calculations and the measurements and stuff, like electrical theory, all that stuff is really interesting to me. Last summer, they put me as an intern with an electrical company. And the ROC, they also provided like transportation throughout the whole summer. I wasn't expecting that. And, the pay, it seems pretty good as well. So, I can, like right out of high school, I can get into the field and whatnot and just start working.